St Andrew Technical have booked their place in the semi-finals of the Issa Manning Cup after getting the better of Vauxhall High 1-0 at Drewsland on Friday. The two schools went into the game on the same number of points, with STATHS needing a draw, while Vauxhall faced a must-win situation if they were to make it into the last four. However, it was STATHS who prevailed. Zahim Clark got the winner in the 79th minute to earn them their spot. St Andrew Technical ended the game with 10 players, as Mark Wilson was red-carded in time added.
Mentally, we were prepared for this game. We played Vauxhall 2 times already, and we know that in terms of how they create the game for you, in terms of how hard they make the game for you, that's their mode of operation. So we were prepared mentally for it, and I think the guys took it out. Wasn't pretty. I mean, there's a lot of area that we definitely need to work on if we're going to make an impact in the semi-final. But I'm happy for the team, and we celebrate the moment.
Eltham High, who were already through to the semi-finals, topped the group with maximum 9 points. The Spanish Town-based school clipped Calabar High 2-1. Antonio Ferran and Stephen Bull got their goals for Eltham, while Nashon Benjamin scored Calabar's consolation.